The compound interest formula is given to us as a of t is equal to p times 1 plus r over n to the nt. And r in this circumstance represents the interest rate of our account. And if we wanted to isolate that interest rate, if we wanted to isolate r so that we could potentially solve for the value of r, given that we know all the other variables, the first thing that we would want to do to try to isolate that r would be to divide both sides by p. So that would get us to a of t over p. Whoops. A of t over p is equal to 1 plus r over n, 1 plus r over n to the nt. And now we can use what we know about exponents to get rid of this exponent here on the right side of the equation.